Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Good girl. Today, we're sitting out on the boat celebrating the fact that Sadie's pills are done. She's been on an antibiotic for the inflammations around her gums. And the mass that we're worried about, which is right along her front teeth, both ahead of it and behind it. It's about the size of a pea, maybe a little bigger on the inside, on the roof of her mouth. That mass has not changed, but what I'm happy about is it has not grown either. It appeared to us, and you know, it could have been there for a while, but it appeared and it was bleeding. Well, the good news is it's not bleeding lately, and it's not growing, so we don't know yet unless we get a huge surgery for Sadie. Well, I wouldn't say huge, but a surgery for dogs this old is a big risk, and so a surgery would be needed to look at the mass, to get a big biopsy, a big piece out of there, so that they can study it and see if it's benign or if it's a malignant tumor. And because it's expensive, and especially because it's rough on an older puppy, we don't want to put her through that yet. We're on a holding pattern. We're just waiting. Oh, cool. I love dragonflies. I take that as a blessing from the Lord on you, Sadie. That is so cool. I love dragonflies. Sorry, but my puppy means a lot to me. So, we're in a holding pattern. That dragonfly broke me up. I was holding it together, and off he goes. I love dragonflies. I take that as a blessing, Sadie. Sadie's 11 years old. So, I guess my take on this growth in her mouth is let's have Sadie outlive that growth. Even if it's malignant, that means it would show up in other parts of her body. But Sadie is very healthy, and let's celebrate that. She's showing her age, but she's running and playing like she always has been for an 11-year-old lab. And her joint soreness has gone away for the most part, partly because we don't have her run much and chase balls. We come out in the lake and let her swim. Yeah, there's a kisses. Oh, such a sweetheart. So Sadie is acting healthy. I'll take that. Sadie is not having this growth in her mouth get any larger. The swelling around her gums actually have diminished. And so I'm celebrating all of that because I'm thinking she's 11 years old. Let's hope that she outlives whatever it is that's in her mouth. Hey, sit on the camera, why don't you? You're so adorable. You don't even know that the entire internet is watching you for all these years. You don't even know that. You don't even care if you're popular. You just know that you love me. And I love you. You can never outrun my love, puppy. Let's keep you healthy. Go get it! Come on! Come on, girl!
I remember better days, you could hear me saying I love you. Before the world got in the way and stopped my voice from cutting through. Let's hang out tonight. You're so busy, we can go outside. Stars spinning, I am by your side. No matter.
Love that a dragonfly landed on you. That's pretty cool. Thank you, Lord. I needed that encouragement. So whatever ailment Sadie has in her mouth, it's not growing. It's not causing her pain. There's nothing else showing up around her body. She has lumps, on her fatty tissue, but she's always had that. All labs are lumpy. They have that. So the vet checked her over otherwise, and she's very healthy otherwise. So that's the update on Sadie. I love this pooch, and I love to share my puppy with all of you. and she makes me so happy all the time. I love her so much. She's brought me absolute joy for many years. Absolute joy. You know, life can be tough, and Sadie has been there through it all with me. And she's like a gift given to me from heaven that God lets us have pets. He's created these pets, and they're companions to us. A pet's love for us is so unconditional. It's just a gift.